guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you all some great Amazon finds. So my last Amazon finds video, you guys really enjoyed it a lot, and in that video I did ask you if you would like to see more such videos and most of you said yes. So yeah, here I am back with another Amazon find video. Now this isn't like particularly catering to any one thing like beauty or makeup or fashion. It has like all mixed products. So yeah, if you want to see what are my latest Amazon finds, then please continue watching. So the first product that I was totally blown away with is this beautiful sling bag right here by the brand called Adisa. So Adisa is a brand on Amazon that has great range of very affordable sling bags as well as handbags. You should definitely check them out. So I did get this sling bag, like you can see here. This is like a classic black sling bag. It comes with this kind of golden chain right here with this kind of strap, and overall this sling bag looks so beautiful, so classic, and black being my favorite color in bags particularly, I absolutely really loved this bag. And now can you just guess the price of this bag? This bag was only for rupees 499. Can you believe that? The quality of this is so amazing. Okay, it comes with this kind of a golden chain right here with this and this black strap, and this is how the beautiful bag looks like. It does come with a magnetic closure, and overall I really love the quality of this bag. It does come with 3 compartments. So this is the first compartment right here. There's also a chain. Okay, so this chain you can again keep it something inside here, and the third compartment is this. Okay, I would highly recommend. ये तो मैंने एक ही buy किया just to try out, but I'm so damn impressed with their quality and the pricing of this brand Adisa. I'm definitely going to buy a lot more bags from them. So yeah, this is the first bag, and like you can see, I absolutely love how beautiful and classic this bag looks. And yeah, this is the first product. Second product is more like hygiene related. Now there are a few girls like me who do get like very heavy menstrual flow. Okay, now especially my menstrual flow was kind of okay until I got pregnant, and after pregnancy and delivery my period cycles and my menstrual flow has literally gone for a toss. I get such heavy flow that no pad manages to survive that. Okay, I literally stain my clothes every time I get my periods, that is. And that is when I was just looking out for better absorbing pads and stuff, where I stumbled upon this. Okay, so this is the Evereve ultra absorbent disposable period panties. Okay, I'll just show you how these period panties look like. So this packet, okay, it comes with 2 period panties. Okay, so there are 2 panties that you would get in this one packet, and it also comes with this kind of a protective thing. So you have to rip this open as well. And this is how the period panty looks like. Now you might think this is like a diaper, but trust me guys, even I thought it will be very heavy, and it will show from the if I wear my leggings or anything, it will show, it will be obvious that I'm wearing something inside, but it does not look like that, especially because iska ye jo upar ka area hai na, it's very thin. See, it's very thin and very comfortable, and this is like a period panty, so you don't have to wear a separate panty or a pad over this. Okay, it has panty जैसा ही आपको पहनना है, और इसमें अंदर ना, see this area where you actually wear your pads, they have given like a thicker pad type layer. Okay, so it nicely absorbs all of the blood during your periods, whatever you get. And because it's like a period panty, so you don't have to wear a separate panty over this also. So पैंटीज स्टेन होने का चांस होता ही नहीं है इसमें. एंड ऑल्सो ये जो इनका ये एरिया है ना, जो इनर थाइज एरिया है, वेयर दिस टाइप, ये जो ये एरिया है, इट्स वेरी नाइसली इलास्टिकेटेड एंड स्टफ. सो the blood does not, you know, stain your clothes whichever you're wearing and stuff like that. This has been such a savior for me during my period, because like I mentioned, I do get so heavy flow that literally feels like a waterfall, you know, when if I'm sitting or I'm sleeping and I get up. And this literally has saved me so many times. So I would highly recommend, do give these period panties a try, especially if you have like very heavy flow on the first or the second day. Do give these period panties a try. इसमें जो है ना 10 का पैक आता है, in which you will get 20 this kind of panties. That would cost you just about 338 rupees. So the cost for per panty is somewhere about 16 rupees only, which I wouldn't mind paying a little extra because of the comfort, and also because it guarantees that it will not stain your clothes and stuff like that. So I think it's totally worth the buy, and I would highly recommend this, especially if you have like very heavy flow. The third product is this steel bottle. Okay, so I am literally now in the process of excluding slowly all like plastic from my house. Okay, so the first thing that I was like, I really have to get rid of are the plastic bottles in which I keep my drinking water. So I was looking out for like steel bottles, but a lot of steel bottles in my normal local shop were बहुत old fashioned type दिख रहे थे. So on Amazon I found this steel bottle. This is a 1.5 liter of steel bottle, and it looks really nice and very like बहुत अच्छा look है इसका, and it's the quality is also really nice and great. So this is slightly expensive. This was for 332 rupees, but I feel this is totally worth the buy. Okay, it's, although it's slightly expensive, 332 for a bottle, but I think the quality is really great. And this is how it comes. Okay, so the mouth, the opening is also big, so it's very easy to, you know, clean your bottles from the inside also. And even the quality is really nice, very great. It's been almost over a month that I've been using this, and it's not given me any problem till now. So even if you are looking out for, you know, transitioning to steel water bottles, then I think do give this a go. It's very nice, great quality, and I'm absolutely loving it. The next product that I stumbled upon was this Saniola hand sanitizer. Now I solely got this because of the packaging, because how cute is this sanitizer, guys? Like कितना cute दिख रहा है ये, right? Your normal sanitizer bottles are like so huge and bulky and stuff like that. So I was like looking out for, you know, sanitizers, and I stumbled upon this one, and it's so cute and बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे ये. This was priced at rupees 349, and you get about 38 ml of product sanitizer in this, and it comes with this kind of a spray. Okay, so you spray like that, and your sanitizer sprays onto your whatever surface you are applying it on. And the fragrance of this one is really nice. This is the fragrance Wild Berries, which I took, and there are different fragrances also in this particular range. It's nice and compact and sleek. So yeah, this is the next purchase. The next thing I got is this Plume beauty blender holder. Okay, storage basically. So this is by the brand called Plume, and this is more like a silicone storage, okay, for your beauty blenders. And it also comes with these kind of holes, and this is the sponge that I usually keep in this. So usually क्या होता है ना, because now I have a lot of sponges, तो उसको store करने के लिए I was looking out for some alternatives, and I found this really nice and very convenient. So yeah, I think even if you are a makeup wearer and if you have like a couple of sponges, then try these this kind of organizers for your sponges. It's very easy, very convenient to store just inside. अभी ये रख दिया मैंने इसमें. Now I'm just going to keep this inside my drawer. So it's nice, sleek and convenient to keep your sponges. So this was the next product. Next are two organizers. So the first one is this right here. This is like an acrylic organizer, and this was for rupees 438. So this comes in 2 layers like this. Okay, so this one is like a plain organizer. This can be used to keep your nail polishes or any products that you feel like. I think this is like a multi-use product. आप कुछ भी इसके अंदर रख सकते हो. And this other one ना, it comes with a lid and it has this kind of 3 compartments. So personally for me, I have bought this to keep this inside my bathroom. इसमें I'm going to keep my cotton pads and my makeup removing products and some q-tips in this, like earbuds in this. So it's nice because it comes with a lid like this, so it's very easy to store your products. So this was an organizer that I got. You can, I feel, use this in a multiple ways. I'm going to use this to keep inside my bathroom, but I think it will look even great if you keep it on your dressing table as well, to keep your nail polishes, your makeup, anything basically, like you can see. So yeah, this was the next organizer that I got. And the last product that I got is this stand, which you can see right here. This stand was for rupees 599 and it's like a wrought iron ka stand and it's white in color. So this stand can be used either in your kitchen, like they have shown in this picture. You can use it to keep your food items, but personally for me, I use it in my bathroom because मेरे bathroom में ना इतने सारे products हो गए हैं ना, some are lying here and there. So I just wanted to keep like a dedicated space for all my products for the bathroom. So yeah, this is the stand that I got and it's very sleek. बहुत अच्छा है, perfect size है. मेरा जो what do you say, wash basin है ना, उसके बाजू में there is a separate area where I can easily keep this, and it comes, like you can see, in 2 layers. So the first layer it has this kind of a pipe, तो अच्छे से आपके प्रोडक्ट उसमें बैठ जाते हैं. ये second layer is open, but they have given this glass base. Okay, so again, this is really great, and like I said, you can use this in your kitchen as well as just in your bathroom as well if you have this much space. तो yeah, this is my next product. ये कांच जो है ना, this glass, they have not fixed it, which I feel is good because अगर कुछ product उस पे गिर जाता है, it's easier to clean, but you have to be a little careful about this glass because it's not fixed, right? So while you are removing the products or cleaning the stand also, you have to be a little careful about this glass. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But otherwise, I think I really like the quality of this stand also. It's very nice, perfect to keep your products in the bathroom. All because ये जो second layer है ना, ये इसके बीच में this is like has a good space, so even you can keep your shampoo bottles also in this. काफ़ी अच्छा space है, and all the small products, your hand wash and stuff like that, face wash, you can keep on the top layer. So yeah, it's really nice, and I like keeping this in my bathroom, like you can see here. So those were my recent Amazon finds. Do let me know in the comments कौन सा product आपको interesting लगा and that you are going to try and buy. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section, and yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.